All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Amtrak 158 is on final approach. So as it gets here, there's Funeral Boy here. Hello. We got Larry B here. Hello, Larry.
The infamous.
All right.
What would you need an ID for?
We don't do humidity. So coming out this way, it's like, oh my gosh, what is this?
Right. All right, nothing coming through southbound. Let's see.
You do now. You can't say you have
No,
to
I'm
use that
a walking salad bar.
You have to say that in past tense now, because you did not have excuse to do now.
Yeah,
All right.
Any time of the year.
I'm just such an outside person.
Yeah. Well, you have to have.
All right, guys, here we go. It's train time.
That one there.
That's another human one.
The tracks. You better get off the tracks. What are you crossing to start with?
If you're getting on, you need to be over here.
What time? This is
Train time. Two 560. Safe travels, guys. Got another Railfaner here. Passengers getting on.
The video might be Anna posted it.
Good, very good. Look at this. Look at Kitty train.
Oh, there you go.
Excitement had to ride the kitty train.
Excitement on the kitty train.
Jeez. They're just fun. Right, Larry?
Yeah.
Right word.
The kitty train?
Hey, you never go ahead and do it again.
There you go.
And then we'll do it again.
all aboard.
All right, this train's about to leave. And we will say safe travels to 158. Nice. All right, y'all. It's that time again, folks. It is train time. This time it's Amtrak Palmetto number 90 from Savannah, Georgia to New York Penn Station via New Carrollton Mark/Amtrak Station. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have another Amtrak coming through, and that is Silver Star number 91. There's Mike Steer that went by. And UP Dave. What's up, UP Dave?
What's up, Jack Oman?
Hello.
Hey.
Woo, yeah. P42 and a P40. Very good. Woohoo!